Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a kitchen in SketchUp. First, let's lay the groundwork for your design. Begin by accurately drawing or importing your room's floor plan. Ensure you define the wall thicknesses, which are typically 6 inches, and set the ceiling height, usually around 8 feet. This initial setup is crucial for precise modeling and helps you visualize the overall space effectively. Establishing these foundational elements ensures your kitchen fits perfectly within its environment. Now, let's bring in the essential elements, cabinets and appliances. The 3D warehouse is an invaluable resource, offering a vast selection of pre-made models. You can easily download and customize these components to perfectly match your kitchen's dimensions and style. Start by placing your major appliances, such as the refrigerator, oven, and sink, as these often dictate the surrounding cabinetry. This step helps define the functional zones of your kitchen. With your cabinets and appliances in place, it's time to add the countertops and refine the details. Use the push/pull tool to create your countertops, typically 1.5 inches thick, extending over your base cabinets. Don't forget to add backsplashes, cabinet hardware, and any other decorative elements that enhance the kitchen's aesthetic. Grouping these components as you go will keep your model organized and easy to modify later on. Finally, let's bring your kitchen design to life with materials and visualization. Apply realistic textures to your cabinets, countertops, and flooring to give them an authentic look. Experiment with different lighting setups and shadow studies to enhance the depth and mood of your scene. Once satisfied, you can export high-quality images or even create an animation to effectively showcase your beautifully designed SketchUp kitchen to clients or for your portfolio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.